Hi friends, welcome to Nishchala's Kitchen. Today I am going to show another healthy snack variety for kids. Not only for kids, it's for everyone. That is puffed rice mixture, or we call it as Murmura Chivda. So all the ingredients that we use here are very good for health. And if we keep such kind of healthy snacks in front of our kids, they will definitely stop getting attracted towards the junk food and packeted snacks that are easily available in the market. Come on, let's get going and see how to make this puffed rice mixture. So for that, I have taken one big bowl of puffed rice, one small cup of dry coconut pieces cut into small pieces, and 1 cup of peanuts. These are raw peanuts. Half a cup of cashews and 1 cup of roasted split gram or futana. Quarter spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon red chili powder, half spoon salt and half spoon zira powder, and 3 sprigs of curry leaves. That's it. These are the only ingredients that we are going to use. Come on, let's start the process. Take a pan, add very little oil and add turmeric powder into it. After adding turmeric powder, add the puffed rice and keep stirring continuously. And while frying murmure, the flame should be in medium to low. We are just frying this so that the turmeric color will come to our murmure, and fry them until they are crisp like this. When you take one murmure in your hand, it should be crisp. Now keep them aside. Take another pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil and fry peanuts in medium flame. Be careful, we should not burn our peanuts. They should be fried in medium to low flame for that perfect crispy texture to our peanuts. And while they are halfway fried, add the split gram or futana. Be very careful with the flame adjustment. If you put it on high flame and try to fry them, the outer layer of the peanut will become darker and it will not be cooked properly. So this process must happen in low to medium. Now, once the futana and our peanuts are fried, add the dry coconut pieces and fry them until the coconut pieces change the color. Gradually, they'll become into a little brownish color. Until then, we have to fry. Now, add cashews into it. Cashews are one nuts that will take very less time to fry and they'll change color so quickly. So, be very careful. Do not put the flame on high. Now add zira powder into it and give it a good mix. After zira powder, now add red chili powder and give it a good mix. Then add salt into it and mix it again. Now after salt, add the curry leaves that we have taken and mix all these ingredients really well, and then add it into the puffed rice that we have already fried and kept. Mix all these really well so that the masalas are coated properly. That's it, we are done. Easy, isn't it? Do try it at home, and if you like it, share it with your friends and family members. And do let me know in the comment section how it turned out to be. And if you haven't subscribed to the Nestella's Kitchen yet, please do hit on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching Nestella's Kitchen. Bye everyone.